G'day guys, this is my 2014 Hilux, and I've just put this G7 1200mm Canopy on the back. I'm going to be doing a 12 volt fit out, got some custom fabricated panels to go in. I've already gone ahead and done the tray sides chop using the M metal bracket adapter. Yeah, we'll pretty much just jump straight into it. I've got a 3mm sheet of aluminium bent up to make a false floor. I've got my Dunn & Watson 50 litre tilt slide here as well that I'll be putting my Dometic fridge in. So here's my vertical divider made from 3mm aluminium plasma cup. This is going to go in between both sides of the canopy to try and keep the storage side and the 12 volt side of the fridge and the drawers and all the gear segregated. So inside the canopy I'm running these 600mm AllSpark lights. They have the option to either be red LEDs or white, which are dimmable. So I've installed a 170 watt slimline panel from Hardcore. What I've got is a right angle nylon gland going into an Anderson, which I've stuck down to the top of the canopy here. And then that feed just runs directly into the solar panel. So really easy to remove if I ever need to. And then down here you can see the feed that I've ran into the canopy from the main starter battery, which just goes underneath the car along the top of the chassis rail. So here's the 12 volt panel for the Hilux. So practically what we've got here is the BCDC Core 40 from Redarc. We've got the Victron BMW 712, which has the smart shunt on it. We've got 3 circuit breakers here. These are all the flush mount ones from AllSpark. So we've got a 60, a 50 and a 40 from the starter to the fuse box to the solar feed coming in. Then we've got one of these Nava battery isolators for the auxiliary battery. So simple on off, and then you can also isolate and take off the cap as well. 500 amp smart shunt, 2 SIG and USB sockets on either side. Spare Anderson for whatever I want to run on the driver's side. Main Anderson here for our fridge feed. And then this red one here is for solar and an additional solar blanket. All of the circuits for the system come through this box here, and they're all individually fused, so it's easy to get to if anything goes wrong. They've also got an LED indicator on here as well to show any circuits that aren't cooperating. Turning the panel over, you can see some of the wiring that I've done here for the 12 volt system. Centralized in the middle right here, we've got a 200 amp negative stud. So I've ran a feed directly from the starter battery back through a circuit breaker. And on the negative, we're actually utilizing the factory ground point for the vehicle to try and keep everything clean. Over here, we've got the main entry for the BCDC, the Redarc coming through here, utilizing these 3 circuit breakers here. What I've done is I've left a bit of extra length here for my 8-port switch panel. So this will just clip in over the top of the panel. This cable here and this cable here is for my canopy lighting. And what I've done as well is left provision with 2 Andersons up the top here, which I can just fish out from the top of the panel if I wanted to add additional accessories, like say a 12 volt oven on this side and potentially a gas hot water shower over here. And I've tried my best to wrap everything in conduit to keep it nice and neat, really. Yeah, we'll throw it in the car and we'll see what it all looks like in there.